Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about Pakistan's provincial government. As you know, we have the 4 provinces of Pakistan and also 2 independent territories as well as 2 disputed regions in Pakistan. For the provinces, a chief minister is considered the head of the province. Whereas the governor also plays a kind of identical role, but his powers are far more limited as compared to the chief minister. So each province has directly elected unicameral legislature, and members are usually elected for a maximum period of 5 years through the democratic process. The chief minister selects his cabinet ministers from the provincial assembly, and each of the province is also backed by the High Court. So 4 provinces of Pakistan, as you know, are Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, and Balochistan. Here you can see the geographic distribution of these 4 provinces as well as 2 independent regions. If we talk about Punjab, its assembly has 297 elected members. As you know, Punjab is the largest province population wise, so it has much more representation as compared to other provinces. It has 66 seats reserved for women, 48 for non-Muslims, and the whole Punjab is served by the 48 departments which are available to provide different amenities of life and services to the people. Current chief minister is Sardar Usman Buzdar, whereas the name of current governor is Muhammad Sarwar. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has the assembly members of 145 elected assembly members. It has the constituent of 115 regular seats, 26 reserved seats for women, whereas 4 seats are available for non-Muslims. The current chief minister is Mahmood Khan. Balochistan assembly, since it has the smallest available population, so it is represented by the 51 members. 11 seats are reserved for women, whereas 3 are reserved for non-Muslims. It constitutes the 26 departments to serve the people of Balochistan. The governor of Balochistan is Amanullah Khan Yasin Zai, whereas the chief minister is Jam Kamal Khan. For the Sindh, the provincial assembly is filled with 168 members. 30 seats are reserved for women, whereas the 8 seats are reserved for non-Muslims. Its chief minister is Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, whereas the governor is Imran Ismail from Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.